अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अतीक और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल अतीक शाह। दोस्तों आज फिर हम एक नई फ़ोटो को फ़ोटोशॉप cs6 के अंदर ऐड करके आपको प्रोफेशनल फ़ोटो एडिटिंग के बारे में बताएंगे। चलें शुरू करते हैं।
Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. We're running still every every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forget when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your ex? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
No matter how good that I get you at targeting your mind on one thing at a time. Got a lot that you gotta do, got you on your way out.
वेलकम अगेन दोस्तों, ये जो तस्वीर आप देख रहे हैं ये इस वक्त बिल्कुल फाइनल बन चुकी है। इसको कहते हैं प्रोफेशनल फ़ोटो एडिटिंग। इस तस्वीर को अच्छी तरह देख लें, मेरी सारी वीडियो को कंप्लीट देखें और मेरी इस वीडियो से ज़रूर सीखा करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।